Hey everyone, how are you doing? This is Helton's Computer Repair here with another quick tutorial. In this tutorial I'll be showing you how to download and install Steam. If you know what Steam is, it's pretty much gaming. All the different type of games and stuff you can get there for your computer, for purchase ones and also free ones that are out there. Stuff that pretty much you'll find on PlayStation or Xbox. Well, you can pretty much just get them pretty much through there, and it gives you more possibility for you to pretty much install it if you have a portable gaming laptop and stuff like that. And let's say you have a different computer, you can just sign into your account and download that game. And also you have the ability also you can share it to one of your friends to give you limited access if I'm correctly too. So let's go ahead and just jump right into this video. So first thing to do is go ahead and open up a browser. I opened up Google Chrome, and on the top we're going to type in Steam. Oh, it already started coming up. Powered is pretty much what it is.com. If you can't find it through there, then you go to Google and type in Steam. You'll probably get to the same location. And then you'll see the site. What you're looking for is on the right side where it says Install Steam. Click that file. And right here you'll see Install Steam. Go ahead and click it again. And here's the file. Go ahead and run it. And you'll probably be prompted for this. Go ahead and press yes. I'm going to go ahead and exit the browser because I don't need that anymore. And then you're going to go ahead and press next to continue pretty much do the installations. We'll have different language if you want to choose it. I'm going to leave it English. And you can change the destination. I know some people on gamers like that are gaming, pretty much have like a SSD on one system on the operating system, and the second one as a data storage on a hard drive. So if you want to, you understand what that destination is used for. And then the program's pretty much been installed. Now it needs to be run. It needs to download some specific download files for it to work. Let it do its work. And here's the program. I finally came up. It probably remembers from my login because I've installed this because I had problems earlier. So right here you will type in your username. I'm actually going to go ahead and sign in just to show it to you. Yes, this is going to have to be blurred out for you, and that's fine. And it needs to send me the verification. That's fine. Let it send to there. Let's see if I got it yet. And here it is. And it tells you it's been unlocked. Got to it. See if the program came up yet. Oh, there it is. It's coming up. Now it's probably saying background. Oh, there it is. And here's pretty much Steam, where you can get all your games and you can search through here. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching from Helton's Computer Repair, and I will see you on our next video. Thanks for watching, guys. If you disliked this video, then hit that button. But if you like it and you want to see more, hit that like button, get subscribed, comment, and tell us what other tech videos you want to see. Consider checking out our merch store, link in the video description. And for the rest, I will see you on the next video.